In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the hyperlink color in Mailchimp. Whether you're creating a beautifully designed email campaign or just fine-tuning a template, customizing the hyperlink color can make a big difference in tying everything together visually and ensuring that your links stand out. A well-designed email doesn't just grab attention, it guides your readers to take action. So let's dive right in and learn how to make this small but impactful change in Mailchimp. Don't worry, the process is simple, and I'll walk you through every step. To start, you need to open your email campaign or template in Mailchimp's editor. Once you're in the editor, locate the specific text block that contains the hyperlink you'd like to modify. This is where we'll be making the change. Click on that text block and it will open up the editing options for that section. You're now ready to get started with formatting. Next, highlight the text of the hyperlink itself. To do this, click at the start of the link text, hold down your mouse or trackpad button, and drag your cursor across the link until the entire text is selected. This step ensures that only the hyperlink text is affected when we change the color. Once you've highlighted it, you're ready to move on to the toolbar options. Now, take a look at the toolbar that appears above your text block. You'll need to locate the text color icon, which is usually represented as a capital A with a small color bar underneath it. This icon is your gateway to modifying the hyperlink's appearance. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on it. This will open up a color palette, or in some cases, a custom color selector, depending on your Mailchimp setup. With the color palette now visible, you can select your desired color. If you see a color in the palette that matches your design, simply click on it to choose it. Alternatively, if you have a specific color code that matches your branding, you can enter that custom code manually in the provided field. This is especially useful if you want to ensure consistency with your brand identity across your emails. After selecting your desired color, click on it. By doing so, you'll apply that color to the hyperlink text. The editor will immediately reflect the change, so you should see your hyperlink update to the color you've just chosen. If you don't see the change happen right away, double-check that you've selected the text properly and try again. Finally, it's time to verify the results. Take a moment to ensure that the hyperlink text has indeed changed to the color you selected. This is an important step because it ensures everything looks as you intended before you save or finalize your email. If needed, you can repeat the process to make adjustments or try a different color. And that's it. You've successfully changed the color of a hyperlink in Mailchimp. This simple tweak can go a long way in improving the overall look and feel of your email campaigns. Whether you're aiming for a subtle enhancement or a bold statement, customizing hyperlink colors gives you more control over your design. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.